Okay, so we're going to talk about water pumps and the GM 270 and the Chevrolet 235. Both engines are 6 cylinders. Overall length of the GMC is 1 5/8 inch longer than the 235. And you run into a little bit of a problem if you try to put the water pump from the 235 onto the 270, and the problem you have is space between the radiator and the front of the fan. So I just wanted to make a quick video for this guy, Backyard Alaskan. He had just put a 270 into one of his Chevys. This is the third swap I've done, 270 into a Chevy. And of course, from some of my other videos, you can see here that with the 235, this engine mount sits in the middle of this part of the front cross member. And I had to build this landing pad and weld it in. It's a simple job, but you have to do the math. So here you can see how close the fan is to the back of the radiator. So Backyard Alaskan, you're going to have to get with Airtex. They make fuel pumps and water pumps, and you're going to have to get yourself a correct water pump for your engine. I read one of your comments, and yeah, he's trying to be helpful, but if you try to move your radiator core support forward, you're going to wind up with spatial problems from where the front of the fenders mount on the brush guard and to where they mount on the cab. So yeah, they're a little bit expensive, but I think that's your only option. So good luck. Thanks for watching.